Ever found yourself stuck away from your desk, needing to access crucial business data, only to wonder, can I actually use NetSuite on my phone? I mean, we're talking about running your entire business, from financials to inventory, all from this little device in your pocket. Is it even possible? Or are we just dreaming? Let's be real, the modern business world doesn't wait for anyone. We're constantly on the move, juggling meetings, travel, and unexpected issues. You're at a client site, and you need to check a sales order. You're stuck in traffic, and you need to approve an expense report. Or maybe you're just trying to enjoy a quiet evening at home, and a critical notification pops up. In these moments, the ability to access your business systems from your phone isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Now, NetSuite, as a cloud-based ERP, is designed for accessibility. But does that accessibility extend to the mobile realm? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. But like anything in the tech world, there are nuances to consider. It's not just a simple yes, you can, but more of a yes, you can, but let's talk about how and what that means for you. First off, let's address the elephant in the room, the NetSuite mobile app. Yes, there's an official NetSuite mobile app available for both iOS and Android. This app is designed to provide a streamlined, mobile-friendly interface for accessing key NetSuite functionalities. It's not a full desktop experience crammed onto a small screen, which is a good thing. It's tailored for quick tasks, approvals, and real-time data access. Think of it as your mobile command center for essential NetSuite operations. You can approve purchase orders, view customer records, check inventory levels, and even generate basic reports. It's perfect for those moments when you need to make quick decisions or stay informed on the go. But, and this is a crucial but, the mobile app isn't a mirror image of the full NetSuite desktop version. It's designed for specific mobile use cases. So you won't be performing complex customizations or running in-depth financial analyses on your phone. For those tasks, you'll still need your laptop or desktop. However, the app is constantly evolving. NetSuite regularly updates its mobile offerings, adding new features and improving existing ones. So the capabilities you have today might be significantly expanded in the future. It's important to stay updated on the latest releases and updates to maximize your mobile NetSuite experience. Beyond the official app, there's another way to access NetSuite on your phone, through your mobile browser. Yes, you can log into NetSuite directly through your phone's browser, just like you would on your computer. This gives you access to the full NetSuite interface, albeit on a smaller screen. Now, using the full NetSuite interface on a phone browser can be a bit challenging. The interface isn't optimized for mobile, so you might find yourself zooming in and out, scrolling excessively, and struggling to navigate. It's not the most user-friendly experience, but it's an option if you need to access a feature that's not available in the mobile app. This browser access is particularly useful for administrators or power users who need to perform specific tasks that aren't supported by the app. For example, if you need to access a custom report or make a quick configuration change, the browser version might be your only option. But let's be honest, relying solely on the browser version for regular NetSuite access on your phone isn't ideal. It's more of a backup option for those rare occasions when you need the full functionality. So, what does this all mean for you? Can you effectively use NetSuite on your phone? The answer is a qualified yes. The official NetSuite mobile app provides a powerful and convenient way to access key functionalities on the go. It's perfect for quick tasks, approvals, and real-time data access. However, if you need to perform complex tasks or access features that aren't available in the app, you can use the browser version, but be prepared for a less-than-ideal user experience. Now, let's talk about some best practices for using NetSuite on your phone. First, ensure you have a strong and secure internet connection. Mobile data or a reliable Wi-Fi network is essential for smooth app performance. Second, take the time to familiarize yourself with the mobile app's interface and features. It's designed for efficiency, so understanding its layout and functionalities will save you time and frustration. Third, customize your notifications to receive alerts for critical events. This will ensure you stay informed and can take action quickly, even when you're away from your desk. Fourth, if you're using the browser version, consider using a larger phone or tablet for a better viewing experience. And finally, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your app and operating system updated. Another important consideration is the role you play within your organization. Different roles have different needs when it comes to mobile access. For example, a sales representative might primarily use the mobile app to access customer information and update sales orders. A warehouse manager might use it to check inventory levels and process shipments. An executive might use it to approve expenses and view key performance indicators. It's crucial to understand your specific needs and tailor your mobile NetSuite experience accordingly. This might involve customizing your app settings, creating saved searches for frequently accessed data, or even developing custom mobile workflows. Furthermore, consider integrating NetSuite with other mobile apps you use regularly. For example, you can integrate NetSuite with your email app, calendar app, or even your CRM. This will streamline your workflows and make it easier to access and share information across different platforms. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. NetSuite has a wealth of resources available, including online documentation, user forums, and customer support. If you're struggling to use the mobile app or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.